near your street, but I wanted to get this video to you guys. Today I wanted to touch on sex magic. It's been a while since I was gonna make this video a while ago, but I wanted to be like more sure of myself. But fuck it, why not make it today? So sex magic is about manifesting with sex. You can either do this by masturbating, and when you reach your climax or you're about to come, by yourself or with a partner, you visualize what you're trying to manifest. And some people manifest cars, houses, money, whatever it is that you want to manifest. This is what you're doing with sex magic. You're essentially using your sexual energy to pull that in. If you can visualize your sacral energy just drawing in that car, drawing in that money, even better. You can even use sex magic to heal. So when you come, imagine that energy going to the part that you feel pain in, or back to your sacral energy, even to recharge that center. So it's really powerful stuff. It's all about visualization. Now, when you're in a good mood and you're about to come, sometimes it's hard to change that pleasure feeling into visualization, but you have to try your hardest and your best. You can do both. You can feel pleasure, but make sure the visualization is strong. If you can add feeling, even better. So feel that you're counting that $1 million in your hand. Visualize and feel that you're going shopping with that money. Visualize you buying a jet, whatever the fuck you want to do with that power, that magic. So yeah, that's basically what sex magic is. It's very basic, very simple. You can do this as many times as you want. You can do a different thing every time. Or what I like to do is focus mainly on one thing, more so financial freedom for me. As I feel like the more I do